So the next one is to find V4, the potential drop across resistor 4. And we want to see, if we're looking at this top loop over here, this potential drop, if we know this potential drop at this point, we do because we found I2 already. And if we know if this potential drop, we can find this potential drop. To know what the potential drop is at R3, we need to know current 3. Do we know current 3? We do, because at this junction, I1 and I2 are already solved. So we could figure out current 3, right? So now we have a plan to find potential drop at V4. We're going to, now here you have choice of finding current 4 and then multiply by resistor, or simply represent the whole thing by a voltage drop. Either one is fine. So let's say if we follow a clockwise direction, when you go to resistor 4, you have a potential drop, right? Potential drop of voltage across resistor 4. And then you go up, you will have a potential gain of I2 R2, okay? And you will have going here, and then you'll go here. Here is a potential drop again, so that is minus I3. R3 is equal to 0, so we know that V4 will be R2 minus I3 R3. This is really just the same resistor, so I'm just going to use R for everything. So we just need to figure out I3, and then here we can use the junction rule at right here, this junction. What comes in is I1, what goes out is 2 and 3. So current 3 is current 1 minus current 2. So plug it back in here. We will have V4 I2R minus I1 minus I2 times R, which is 2. I2R minus I1R plus I2R, which is 2I2R minus I1R. Okay, you found your current 2, you could plug it in here. You know your current, and you could, if you want, replace everything using variable V and R, because that is the initial variables that are given. So you could replace I2 at this point using 2V over R minus I1. That would also be okay. So either way, the final result will be 4V minus 3I1R. So if you use everything in terms of the initial variables that are given, and then you can plug in your value for voltage. Mine is 14 volts. And you can plug in your value for your current and your value for your resistor. So all of this together, I get my voltage drop is 8.75 volts.